KPS Alarms has your whole day handled. Everything in your home works together to keep you safe, secure, and comfortable. And you can control it all with just one app. We bring you technology built by experts, but designed for everyone. You don't need to be an expert to use it, just your everyday self. From your phone, to your watch, to your voice. It's easy. Let your home work for you with smarter home security. Connect with a KPS Alarms smarter home security expert today. It's not just security, it's proactive protection.